How to create a professional YouTube channel in India. Pick your area of interest. Choose a topic or subject that you love and know well. Make sure it's something others in India would also be interested in. Research the market. Look at what's already popular in your chosen area and see how you can offer something unique. Channel branding. Create a catchy channel name related to your content. Design a professional channel logo and banner that represent your channel. Write a clear channel description explaining what your videos will be about. Equipment and setup. Get decent gear like a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Set up a dedicated place for filming with good lighting and sound. Content strategy. Plan your videos ahead of time and create a schedule for uploading. Keep your content consistent in terms of style and schedule. Creating content. Make videos with good video and audio quality. Pay attention to video editing to make your content interesting. Write eye-catching video titles and descriptions using relevant keywords. Optimize your channel. Customize your channel layout to make it user-friendly. Use tags, categories, and attractive video thumbnails. Link your social media profiles and website if you have one. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and interact with your audience. Use social media to connect with your viewers and share your content. Monetization and SEO. Once you have a good number of subscribers, think about making money through ads, merchandise, or sponsorships. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords and tags. Promotion and marketing. Share your videos on social media, forums, and communities relevant to your content. Partner with other YouTubers for mutual promotion. You can also consider running ads or promotions to reach a wider audience. Analyze and improve. Use YouTube Analytics to see how your videos are performing. Listen to feedback from viewers and adjust your content accordingly. Keep improving your video quality, editing skills, and how you present yourself. Legal and copyright. Understand YouTube's rules and community guidelines. Respect copyright laws, don't use copyrighted material without permission. Stay consistent and patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be patient and keep working on it consistently. Remember, becoming a successful YouTuber in India requires dedication and hard work. Keep learning and delivering value to your audience, and with time, you can build a professional YouTube channel that people in India will love.